Hi again. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Yzabelle Candava. And for this video, I am with Vincent. At magka-unbox kami ng kanyang bagong phone. Kinilig siya kasi one month na siyang walang phone. So, simulan mo na. The iPhone that he bought is, what is it?
It's an iPhone 11.
There. An iPhone 11, 128 gig yung phone. Actually, kakauwi lang namin from the store. Tapos sobrang excited niya. Kasi hindi pa namin to pina-unbox, hindi pa namin to pinagalaw dun sa pinagbilhan namin. As in.
Kasi nga, sinabi mo mag-unboxing video tayo. I'll open this na.
Go.
Ay, sorry. Ooh.
So, ito yung binili niya, black. And I think it depends on the color of the phone that you bought. Pero, ayun, black din yung iPhone. What do you call this?
iPhone.
The iPhone text. And the Apple logo, black din siya. So, please do the honors.
I'll open it na.
Wait lang, dapat nakaharap sa noo niyo. Ayan. Baka mahulog. Gago, sobrang ganda. Wait, kami muna yung titingin. So, ito yun. Ayan. Diba? Ayan. Nakikita yung setting natin.
Ano setting?
Ayun o. Ito na yung drapes natin.
Ay! So, I'm gonna take off the plastic.
Compare natin siya. This is my phone. This is an iPhone 10.
iPhone
11.
11.
And
This is
iPhone
the
10. So, kasi laki lang niya yung 10R. Diba? And from the back, it's almost the same. It's still glass. So, before we head onto the phone, kung anong gagawin niya sa phone, ito set up. Papakita natin yung nasa box. The things in the box here are ito, yung anong tawag na, parang pocket siya eh. Tapos maraming nakalagay dito na never naman binasa ng kahit sino siguro. Ayan, may hello, yung SIM ejection tool. Tapos another ganyan. Tapos syempre hindi mawawala ang Apple stickers na hindi rin natin nagagamit. Dito naman, edi yung normal lang din, the adapter. Tapos yun nga lang, hindi siya yung fast charging, pero mayroon naman kami dyan. The earpods, hindi siya AirPods, pero okay lang din. Tapos yung cable, the lightning cable. So, magsisimula na siyang i-set up yung phone. Turn on mo na.
It's not there.
Oh yeah, there!
Oh my god.
Ako, naiiyak ako. Charot. Ayan, hindi namin maintindihan, diba?
So, it's asking me to pick a language. Wala ba Ilocano dito?
Tapos select your country, syempre Philippines. Ay, papakita ko pala sa inyo yung dati niyang phone, wait. So, yun nga, diba? May quick start siya. Pero dahil ito yung phone niya before. Ayan. Basically, basag na yung phone niya. Tapos, hindi na siya matouch. Ayan. Hindi na siya matouch. And, well, iPhone 6s to. So, it's time. It's time to upgrade. Again.
It's about time. So,
yeah.
Swipe up.
Swipe up
To open. So, Face ID.
Next, Face ID.
So, set up na natin siya. Ayaw niya mag-connect sa Apple ID. So, mamaya na lang yun.
Continue lang tayo ng konti. Wala nang lights sa labas.
Go home. I can finally go home, guys.
Go home to your new phone. Pero marunong.
I know this na because...
He's been using my iPhone. He's been using my phone for the past month.
To play games.
To play ML. Wala, hindi niya pinakita yung welcome to iPhone. Wala na.
Sorry.
Ayan, pero yan yung iPhone. O, diba? Tingnan mo ang first impression.
Smooth naman siya. Nakikita ko yung fundamentals no ano.
Alam mo, tigil na natin itong video na to.
It's definitely more smooth than my iPhone 6s. Kasi yun, hindi na gumagana.
So, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!